beginning with a deeper breath than you might normally take. Allowing the breath to become more natural, more comfortable. Allowing the body to settle, the face to soften, the shoulders, the belly softening. Taking a moment here to greet yourself with kindness, a kind word, an inward smile, a sense of warmth. And allowing awareness to drop into the body, to feel any sensations of the contact points of the body with the surface that it's on, the heaviness, the solidity, sensations of clothing, sensations of the breath. Just like you might drop in on a friend and ask, "How are you?" And just listen to what they have to say, just for a few breaths, listening to the body, what sensations are present in the body. From here, aware of sound, just broadening awareness into sound. And now applying this broad, expansive awareness, this receptive awareness to what thoughts, what emotional content is present for you in these moments. Dropping into thought and emotion. Just asking yourself, how are you? And listening for a few breaths. And finally, just feeling into the whole system, the body, the breath, the sound, thoughts, emotions coming and going. Taking a deeper breath as a way to transition from formal practice if you're ready. And doing your best to take this awareness into the remainder of your day.